What have you heard? That the housing market is crashing or that it's soaring? What's really going on? Hi, I'm Charlotte with Birch & Cedar Realty Group. It's important to remember that news headlines are designed to get you to click. More often than not, they are misleading. It's important to dig in and take a look at the facts. So let's look at the facts to find out if we are in a housing market that's crashing or a housing market that's on fire. The first number we look at is the median home sales price for all homes, both new and existing, that were sold in Ada County. In August, it hit a new record of $400,000, surpassing July's record high of $390,000. This new record is up 12.7% from this time last year. That means that homes have appreciated 12.7% in a year. In 1 year. Keep in mind the national average is typically 3 to 5%. Black Knight's reporting that on a 25-year average, it's 3.9%. That's a pretty big difference in appreciation levels. The median home sales price in August of 2019 was $354,995, which was an increase from August 2018, which had a median home price of $334,400. So if you bought a home in 2018, you've gained about 19 to 20% in equity in 2 years. In 2 years. One of my clients purchased a home in 2018, and when we looked at comparables that sold in their neighborhood, if they wanted to sell now, they would be able to walk away with about $80,000 in equity. Okay, back to the point. So what is driving up that price? Well, the first component is that we continue to have low inventory for existing homes. This has been an issue for several years now, but the supply continues to shrink. We actually hit a record low in supply in August with 239 existing homes for sale. This is down 72% from August of 2019. Seriously, 72%, that's crazy. At the end of August, Ada County had 0.3 months of inventory, meaning that if nothing else came on the market, supply of homes would run out in 0.3 months. Keep in mind, a balanced market is between 4 and 6 months. This means we are in a seller's market, and the inventory, or lack thereof, and the continued high demand puts incredible pressure on existing home prices. Existing home median sales price was $385,000 in August. So aside from lack of inventory, what else drives up that price? We are seeing a higher number of new construction home purchases since inventory of existing homes is so low. The new construction home prices are being driven by lumber prices. According to the National Association of Home Builders, the price of lumber has staged a staggering increase in recent months, rising roughly 80% since mid-April, which is adding thousands of dollars to the cost of a typical newly built home. In August, new construction homes made up 32.9% of all closed sales, with a median sales price of $444,900. Because new construction makes up a larger portion of the closed sales, this drives up the total median home sales price for all homes. The third reason the median home sales price is increasing is the historically low mortgage interest rates. These low rates mean that buyers can actually afford a higher price point and actually have the same monthly payment. Boise Regional Realtors gives this example. The rate in August 2005 was 6.5% versus 2.9% in August 2020. The monthly payment is actually roughly the same despite the increase in home prices. This is a key point. If you are looking to buy but you think that you're priced out, you really need to talk to a lender to see what's actually true for you. Your dream of having a home may still be a reality. One other note, some people may wonder why there is this discrepancy between available inventory and the number of homes we have. For example, we have 1,251 homes closed in August 2020, but our inventory is so low. How is that possible? Well, it's possible because of off-market inventory that is going under contract and closing. These never hit our Intermountain MLS as available inventory. They hit as pending and sold. As an example, new construction is able to sell homes that are not built and therefore are not reflected in the IMLS as inventory. 25% of the new construction homes in August were not previously listed in the MLS. So there are options and opportunities available. What does all of this mean to a buyer and a seller? For a buyer, you have a lot of competition. Opportunities are out there, but it's important to be patient and keep your eye on the goal. As a seller, if you want to sell, now is an incredible opportunity. Also, if you are a homeowner, let's say your interest rate is above 3.5%, please talk to a lender about refinancing. The rates are incredibly low right now, and it can make a difference to your monthly payment. So I repeat, please talk to a lender to see if a refinance makes sense for you. Do it today. Pause the video I'll wait. So the bottom line, we continue to see the lack of inventory drive up home prices in Ada County. Our area has incredibly high demand, so as soon as something hits the market, it's snatched up, sometimes in hours. We are seeing multiple offer situations in most price points. So because inventory is low and demand is high, our housing market in Ada County is on fire. We are not in a housing crash, and unless something changes drastically, it's hard to foresee one on the horizon in the short term. I hope this was helpful. Please reach out if you have any questions, no pressure. As always, like, subscribe, and click that little bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.